Out here with the Pacific Calls boys, early season Nodak. It's gonna be a burn.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wanted
Waxed him!
If I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me.
Is this a sport here in North Dakota?
It is, man. This is what we did for football practice.
I bet.
Oh, that's fresh, dude. Look at this. Anyway, we got a Dustin's freaking 20 gauge bolt action shotgun today. And that's what I'm gonna be shooting for at least one flock. It's a single shot because there's no clip. Here's our freaking dirt nasty hide right here. Don't forget guys, if you wanna get yourself some Pacific Calls, they're gonna be linked down below. Use code HUNTSODAK20 and pick them up. I just got a new one from Trevor, it's a BBG. These blinds are gonna look filth, touching prepubescent birds. I mean, killing them. And on my 18th birthday, we got matching tattoos. Whoa, Dustin, cut. We're getting lit today. It's gonna be a burner. It's a pizza ranch type day if we burn them. That'll be good for the gut, I promise.
We're gonna go back to Bridges.
Yeah, that was actually gas.
That was pretty fire.
That was the move.
I'll take that.
If you're in Valley City, at the Airbnb, Bridges Bar and Grill is the place to be, man. Bridges, if you're seeing this, run me my sponsorship. Same with PetroServe. I get a coffee there every morning and an energy drink every morning I'm here in town. Don't matter what I'm doing. And I pay for it. I just need like a PetroServe card. I just flash them with it and just walk out. That'd be fire. Flash it and then just put my card in. PetroServe coffee and White Monster Power Up. Down the freaking hatch. Down the freaking hatch. That's it. Which one's that, Trev?
Nick J.
If you guys want a Nick J, they're in Fargo Shields, 4.6 and 4.25. We are loading the frickin' 20 gauge. I feel like an old man.
It's like three beers. I'm saving money. Yeah.
Zach, I will trade you this 20 gauge for that camera straight up. How do I turn it on, Zach? Welcome back, guys. Shout out PetroServe Coffee for helping me keep my bladder cleared out in the field. Yeah, they actually pushed out. They're in Nebraska right now.
Oh, Mikey's truck blew up last night.
That's pretty good.
No, I'm limping back right now.
He's limping back. Did the truck hurt his leg or something? Do you think those geese are just a little bit cold this morning? Dude, the PetroServe coffee's clutch. You mix that cappuccino half and half, bro. Hold up. I think I might see a goose. Oh, yep, there they are. I can see the slough. This is when you need that that hawk robot, so you can just fly it over the roost and bust them out of there. Ah! I'd say give it 10-15 minutes here and probably back up. Oh, you want me to call it too? You can call it though. Call it in. Ooh. Whacked him! Woo! There we go, baby. Beautiful 3-month-old goose. Do you kill the scout goose or do you not kill the scout goose? Always kill him, so then the other ones think like, oh, he's fine, right? That he's already eaten. Get up there. I agree. You definitely don't want to pepper the ass of the scout goose, though. Either gotta let him go or kill him. Dude, that 20 gauge is a dagger, bro.
Much of a recoil.
I was just so excited to shoot that goose, I couldn't even tell you. I feel like my grandpa right now. His feet were very wet and muddy. It's almost like he was in a slough or something. One coming right now. We can watch him come pretty much all the way from the roost, so we're switching over to the old 12er with 2 shots instead of one. A little bit of boss shot shell right here. 1.5 ounces. Golly. Go! I don't know. They landed. The 3 bale pile didn't work really, so we're gonna come hide in these windrows right here. Them ones there, Isa. See if we can't get one to sit on her face. They are hating this. Blue, 32. Set, head. Rise Kool-Aid power up. Down the. Let's crack this. Down the freaking hatch. That's good. Get weird. Get weird. Get weird. Get weird. They're getting weird. They're getting really weird. That was awkward.